Hello everyone, welcome to solve this problem for the values of x. If we have x cubed and its whole square root is equals to 2 cubed, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here we find all the roots of this equation, and I hope so you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem. So here first we need to remove this square root sign from left hand side, and in order to remove the square root sign we need to apply squaring on both of the sides. And when we apply squaring, it will be written as 2 cubed and its whole square. And further, in the next step, we need more simplifications, and you see here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we obtain this is x cubed. And in the right hand side we use the nice exponential line. According to this law, we will be able to interchange both of these two exponents, and when we interchange these two exponents, it will be written as 2 square and its whole cubed. And now further we need a little bit more simplifications into the right hand side. So we have this is 2 square, and 2 square becomes 4 and its whole cubed. And now we move this 4 cubed to from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes x cubed minus 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step, we need to apply the nice cubic formula, and you know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this cubic formula, we write our left hand side of above equation as this is a minus b. The value of a is x minus the value of b is 4 into, again we have a square. The value of a is x plus ab. Again the value of a is x and b is 4 plus b square. The value of b is 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to break this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 4 times of this is x square plus 4x plus 16 is equals to 0. So here we break this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 4x plus 16 is equals to 0. And now you see here from first case we easily get the value of x is equals to 4. So this is the first real root of the given equation. And now here, in order to find the other roots, we need to solve the second equation. And in the second equation, you see here this is quadratic equation, and we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we need to first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to 16. And we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we need to substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and it will be written as here we have x is equals to this is minus b, the value of b is minus 4 plus minus square root of b square, so b is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And in the next step, we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of this is 4 square, and 4 square becomes 16 minus 4 times of 16 divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And further we need more simplifications, and it will be written as minus 4 plus minus square root of, here you see that this is 16. We need to take common 16 from here, and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And in the next step here we apply the square root separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 into square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to minus 4 plus minus, here you see that this is square root of 16, and we know about that square root of 16 becomes 4 times of square root of 3, and you know that when a negative sign appears inside the square root it will becomes iota. So we write iota here, and it is divided by 2. And in the final step we need to break this fraction, and when we break this fraction it will be written as minus 4 divided by 2 plus minus 4 times of square root of 3 divided by 2 into iota. So here we cancel these terms. This is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get our x is equals to minus 2 plus minus, this is also 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and finally we have our x is equals to 4. So these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.